Good day, Michigan virtual friends. It is me, Mr. Harmon, and I am in the Student Learning Portal. Friends, I want to show you how to check your grades super quickly so that we can get ready for the end of this 9 weeks. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have your students sign in on their Chromebook with you. This only works from the student logins. Once you're in here, instead of staying on the dashboard, switch to the Gradebook. When you look at the gradebook, it will show you all the possible points they could have earned. It will show you what they have completed with their points. If they're blank, that means your student has not completed those, and that's what they need to get done. If they have completed them and the score is low, they may be able to do a retake. The one thing I want to stress before you ever do a retake, they need to restudy the quiz, find out what they did wrong, and then get ready for the next attempt. Real quickly, let me show you how to make that happen. Once again, we're going to go back to the dashboard, and now I'm going to click on the course. I'm going to enter the 7th grade math. When you get in the course, the place you want to click is My Progress. And we want to go down to the quizzes, and if you look at these quizzes, you can see your scores over here on the right. You can also click on the details and actually assess the quiz that you took. If I hit attempt 1 right here, you can see I scored great for a while, and then I missed this fraction problem. Now, before your student ever retakes a quiz, I really want them to go back and do the learning. So to figure out where this learning took place, let's close this quiz. Remember, it was 1.03, so if we hit the lessons, go back to Module 1, which is right here, it's a module check, so that we're going to have to do the learning in 1.02. 1.02 was about adding and subtracting real numbers. I've been looking through this for a while, and I think I found on page 4 is where that type of problem is. Notice as your student does the learning, there are practice problems. It was explained up here, and then you can check your answer down below to make sure that you understand the skills that you're supposed to be using. If that's not enough, there are also videos. Don't forget, these are up here. You can pick whichever topic you need, track them down, and these were created by Michigan Virtual so that you have a better chance of being successful on what we're learning at that time. Friends, I do also want to make sure you understand this menu. This is an awesome way to get to the exact spot that you're looking for. Boom, you can hit rational numbers and go to whichever lesson you were solving at that time. Alright, so hopefully you found that useful. Your student does have to sign in. You have to sit with them so that they can show you this. That's how you can get access to both My Progress and the Gradebook in the Student Learning Portal. If you found this useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.